How many times have you been in a Slack conversation about a production issue, wishing you could just ask someone to check that Lambda function or scale up the AKS cluster without leaving the chat? Meet Opxia Slackbot, your AI-powered DevOps assistant that lives right in your Slack workspace. Instead of switching between multiple cloud consoles, CLI terminals, and documentation, you can now perform any cloud or DevOps operation using simple natural language. Let's dive in and see how this transforms your DevOps workflow. Opxia Slackbot transforms Kubernetes management into simple Slack conversations. No kubectl commands, no YAML files, just natural language requests. Want to deploy Nginx with a cluster IP service on GKE? Simply ask the bot. Within seconds, your deployment and service are live and running exactly as specified. Pod troubleshooting becomes effortless. Ask Opxia for the latest logs from any pod, and it doesn't just dump raw data. It analyzes like a seasoned DevOps engineer, identifies issues, spots patterns, and highlights what needs your attention. The intelligence goes deeper. When Opxia needs specific details, it asks smart questions. Missing a namespace? It prompts you. Unclear about replica count? It clarifies before proceeding. By the way, failure isn't a roadblock. It's a learning opportunity. When commands fail, Opxia automatically analyzes the error, identifies the root cause, and attempts self-healing. Your smart DevOps teammate that never sleeps, never misses details, and continuously improves your infrastructure reliability. Opxia Slackbot eliminates multi-cloud complexity. Manage AWS or GCP and Azure through simple Slack conversations. No console switching, no context switching. Concerned about your AWS security posture? Ask Opxia to identify all VM instances with publicly exposed SSH access. Instant visibility across your entire infrastructure, presented clearly with actionable insights. Cost optimization becomes conversational. Tell Opxia bot, show me GCP VMs with less than 5% CPU utilization over the last 30 days. It analyzes your environment, identifies the underperformers, and presents the findings with potential savings. Our setup wizard runs entirely within Slack, fast and straightforward. Choose your LLM provider and simply plug in API keys. OpenAI, Anthropic, and Gemini deliver cutting-edge performance, while Grok gives you robust open-source models at no cost. User management can be done in 2 simple steps. You can set up regular and admin users with precise access control, your security, your rules. Cloud connectivity is seamless. Azure and AWS connects through client credentials. For GCP, just upload your service account key. Everything else is handled automatically. Kubernetes integration spans AKS, EKS, and GKE. Add your cluster details and region, and Opxia automatically authenticates using your existing cloud setup. Built-in audit system captures everything: approvals, rejections, failed commands, and recovery attempts, all time-stamped. Filter by success rate, cloud provider, user, or any combination for complete operational visibility. Opxia Slackbot learns and remembers, like a real DevOps teammate who knows exactly how you work. Set your preferences once with natural commands. Remember, my preferred region is US East 1. Done. Opxia stores it and applies it automatically in every future operation. No more repeating the same configurations session after session. Your frequently used settings become second nature to the bot. Preferred instance types, default namespaces, security groups. Opxia intelligently applies your stored preferences without you asking. Visit slackbot.opxia.ai.